What's up, snail? Got a hole there. Are you breathing? Are you breathing? Wait, snails have eyes? Oh, you're hungry. You're getting that cucumber. Yeah, I see. Not sure what that hole is. For some reason, I don't want to zoom in. It did before. Now I don't want to. Let's see if I can get it that way. There we go, guys. See that little hole on the side? That's weird. Never noticed that before. Wow, the snail's moving pretty quick there. He's getting up on top of that thing already. There's a hole here? No, I can't say there is. I don't think so, guys. I just think it's a piece of dirt. No hole. Focus, camera. Focus. See you later, snail. See you later, snail.